Mr. Cusden, how can we minimize the environmental impact caused by the air traffic and airport operations?
So it's clearly very important as we develop air traffic control and aviation that we minimize the impact on the environment. So we do that through a number of ways. Really, it's about getting the design right, so that you design the procedures correctly to ensure that you minimize the noise impact on the local communities. But there's also lots of opportunities to design the procedures to minimize the amount of fuel burn. So if you get the routes and the procedures right, you can actually reduce the CO2 emissions and therefore the impact on the environment.
And which experiences in the UK you could mention and that could be inspiring for the Brazilian sector?
So I think as I've attended the conference, I've reflected that there are actually a lot of similarities between Brazil and the UK, surprisingly maybe. So we operate on a relatively limited infrastructure. So in London we have 3 airports, but only one of them has 2 runways. So we've developed, by working with the airlines and the airports over time, on really maximising the utilisation of that infrastructure to reduce delays to the travelling public.
This main airport you're talking is Heathrow?
Yes, correct. So Heathrow, of course, has 2 runways and moves over 90 aircraft per hour, which is a world-leading performance, and make sure we reduce delays to the customers.